Hey guys, welcome back to Car System Installation. Today we have an RV vehicle in here that we have installed two items on the vehicle. First item is reverse sensors, so when the car is backing up, getting closer to an object, you get the sensors beeping, indicating on which side you have the interference. Second thing is we've installed a camera in the back that is utilized as a rear view camera. Now, it's not a reverse camera. The vehicle does have its own reverse camera. The camera is mounted in a way that allows you to see everything that goes in the back while you're driving, the same as if you had a rear view mirror. But due to the fact that this is an RV, the rear view mirror obviously cannot be useful. Side mirrors do not show you the back, so we put the camera to give you a view in the back while you're driving. So let's go ahead, go inside and show you how it looks. So in the vehicle itself, we have the original screen. This is the original screen from Ford, and this is the screen that we installed on the top in here, and above it we have also the parking sensors. Now, as you probably noticed, this monitor has an antenna. This is a wireless monitor. This is the product that the customer has provided in this case, and we have did the installation. The sensors is the product that we have provided. Now we're going to show you how it looks. Keep in mind, this is the location that the customer chose to have the screen. You can have the screen located in different locations on the dashboard. It's really up to you. In this case, this location does not interfere. So as soon as we put the ignition on, the camera is on. As I mentioned, it's basically your rear view mirror. That obviously with the rear view mirror, all you can see is just the bed and everything. So this is utilizing to become your rear view mirror. Now I'm going to put the car in reverse. So we have the reverse camera in here, original reverse camera, and you can see it's like a bird's eye view from the top, seeing everything, and you can actually see our camera on the bottom in here. So this view will be hard when you're driving. It's very hard for you to see far back. It's only a few feet behind you. You can see what's behind you, and the way it's mounted, it lets you see more for parking. But if you want to drive and see who's behind you, how far cars, having a rear view mirror which you cannot use, then we have this camera here that allows you to see everything in the back. Now let's put the car in. The car is in reverse. As you can see, our parking sensor lights are on. So let's start going to the back and see how far we can get. Now you see we start getting an indication that there's an interference. In the picture here, it looks like you're almost hitting. If you look at the reverse picture, you can actually see the distance. Now we can understand, most people probably would be okay with just seeing this to the camera, but the customer wanted to have sensors as a more safer way. You can get closer and closer. You can see the indication gets closer and closer. And that gives you a judgment how far you can actually get an object behind you. Okay, now let's go to the back and show you how the sensors and the camera look like. I'm just going to drive a bit forward. Let's go ahead and take a look. So we have our camera mounted in the center in here. That way it's in the center of the vehicle, facing backwards. The top camera is the factory, or the manufacturer of the RV. And here are the sensors that we've installed. Now you might notice that these sensors, the two side ones, are smaller than these ones. They're not actually smaller, it's the same size sensors, but the difference is here because of the angle of the vehicle. As you can see, the angle in here, we added these adapters that changes the angle to avoid any false reading. For parking sensors, backup cameras, and other electronics, you can always find us at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Have a good day.